Starting a career in real estate can be exciting, but it can also be challenging. Here are 5 mistakes new agents should try to avoid. Mistake number 1, not building a strong network. Building a strong network is essential in real estate. Not networking enough or not networking effectively can severely limit your potential for success. Attend local events, join professional associations, reach out to other agents, and use social media to connect with others in the industry. Networking opens doors to new opportunities and valuable partnerships. Mistake number 2, not establishing a clear brand. Establishing a clear brand can help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. If you don't have a logo, business card, and website, you're missing out on important opportunities to promote yourself. Take the time to define your unique selling proposition, develop a clear, consistent visual identity, and create marketing materials that convey your professionalism and expertise. Mistake number 3, not staying up to date with market trends. Real estate is a constantly evolving industry, and it's important to stay up to date with market trends. Not staying informed about the latest changes can negatively impact your clients and your business. Stay connected by subscribing to industry publications, attending seminars and webinars, and following reputable real estate news sources. Being knowledgeable about market trends allows you to provide valuable insights and advice to your clients. Mistake number 4, not understanding the client's needs. Understanding your client's needs is crucial in the real estate industry. Failing to listen to their needs and preferences can result in unhappy clients and a damaged reputation. Take the time to have meaningful conversations with your clients. Ask questions and actively listen to their concerns. By understanding their goals and desires, you can tailor your approach to provide a personalized experience that exceeds their expectations. Mistake number 5, not being proactive. In the real estate industry, being proactive is key to success. Waiting for clients to come to you is not enough. Instead, actively seek out new clients, reaching out to your network, and always be looking to find ways to grow your business. Develop a prospecting plan, leverage online marketing strategies, and invest in building relationships with potential clients. Being proactive sets you apart from the competition and ensures a steady stream of opportunities. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, you can build a successful career in real estate. Stay motivated, stay informed, and always put your clients first. Remember, real estate is a dynamic industry, and continuous improvement is essential. Learn from your experiences, seek guidance from mentors, and never stop honing your skills. With dedication and commitment to avoiding these pitfalls, you can be on your way to thriving in real estate.